So for a flipped classroom to work, you're going to want to have a page where your students can go to access all the information. Um, to create a new page, right now we only have the home page. So anything else that they're going to go to, you're going to have to add yourself. So you go up here to your option settings again, and you hit pages. And then you hit add. And then we want a standard page. And we title the page right here so we know what it's called. And I'm going to call it homework, because that's going to be their homework as your flipped lessons. So now, as you can see, it's added to the bar, and it gives you a headline. Miss Head's homework page. She can change all this later if she wants. And I always edit my images. We'll choose a layout real quick. And for my homework page on my website, I used, I think, services. This is what I used. And you'll see why in a minute. Keep. So whenever you're looking for a picture to use, of course we all use Google Images, and it's important how to use Google the right way. So if you weren't already aware, in your images you can filter by usage rights. So I typed in Ronald Reagan Middle School, Grand Prairie, but you can't just post any image you see on the internet to your website. So what you want to do is use your search tools and filter by usage rights so that you know that you have it. You can use things labeled for non-commercial reuse, or you can do it for labeled for reuse, because you're in education, so the non-commercial will work for you. These are images that the owner gave you permission to use without citing it. Otherwise, technically, you're plagiarizing. Since we're English teachers, that matters to me. I don't know if it matters to you. But that's just a little extra for you. So say I wanted to use this one, I would just drag it and drop it, and I have that image. And then edit image. Oops, cancel. Change image. Upload an image. And then I just drag and drop. And you can play around with it. I'm just doing it real quick. And then I'm going to save it. Save to this page only. And that's how I did that. And that's how you add a page. And I published it so that it's there online and it's done. I always publish after every change I make so that I know that it's saved.